Want to unlock champions in Wild Rift? Here are your two reliable ways. Option 1. Use Blue Motes, the free in-game currency. Visit the store, then go to the Champions tab. Most champions cost 5,500 Blue Motes, and you can earn motes by completing daily missions, leveling up, and participating in events or the Wild Pass. Is the fastest and best free path. Option 2. Use Wild Cores, the premium currency. In the store, select the champion you want. If you don't have enough Wild Cores, tap Buy Wild Cores, then return to unlock your champion for about 725 Wild Cores. This method works instantly if you value immediate access. You can also unlock champions during special events and with chests or capsules, especially when a new champion launches. Choose your method. Grind Blue Motes to save or spend Wild Cores for speed. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more smart and trustworthy Wild Rift tips.